Good afternoon, student. See now, uh, already you have studied two constructions. Morning, I have sent that link of that two constructions. Okay, but just 20 students are open that link. See that all constructions are new for you. So see that construction again and again. Okay, subscribe the channel. Why you have to subscribe? Then when I will upload the video, you can see immediately you will get the message and you can see that video. Okay, so see now this is totally different construction. This is for 4 mark. So construction third. Okay, to construct a triangle, if its perimeter means the sum of all three sides, base and the angle which include the base are given. Okay, means base is given, base angle is given, and perimeter means all three sides are given. Then how to construct that triangle? Construction is totally different. This is the rough diagram. Okay, so now how to construct this diagram, just I will explain, and then we'll see the construction. See first here the perimeter of this one, this is the construct triangle ABC such that AB plus BC plus AC, we know addition of these three sides means perimeter 11.3, base angle B is 70, C is 60. Okay, then how to construct a different method? First one, the sum of that three sides is given, so you have to draw one segment having 11.3 centimeter distance. Okay, so that is, there is no name of this ABC. Okay, this is the sum. So we have given here different names PQ. Hmm? Now base angle is B is 70 and C is 60. Then this is 70 and 60. You will not get directly B and C. So now what angle here you have to take P and Q. See here, this PQ, PQ, PB is equal to AB, means these two parts are equal. CQ is equal to AC or CA, means these two sides are equal. So this is isosceles triangle. If we consider this is 70 degree, this is exterior angle. Okay, we know the sum of this exterior angle is sum of these two sides. Hmm? These two sides are, two angles are equal because this is isosceles. So this is 70. Hmm? Then what is the this angle? Two angles, we know if we can consider this is linear pair, then also you will get this is 110 because total 180. So 110 means what remain from 180? 70. So these two are equal, then it is 35. It is very easy. Whatever be the angle is given, you have to take half of this here. Half of 70, 35. Similarly, half of 60 is 30. And draw this angle where it meet. There is a point E. Means you got first point only A. Then draw the perpendicular bisector of this segment. Then AQ segment. Where that perpendicular bisect this PQ, base PQ, there is a point B and C. So join it. So you will get the required triangle ABC. Afterward, after constructing triangle, if you measure this angle, it come exactly what is that given 70 and 60. If that one come exactly, then your construction is correct. Otherwise, you have to construct again and you have to check it. So actual construction now we will see. This is the example here. Okay, one example we taken. So this is construction of triangle XYZ in which angle Y 58 degree, X is 46 and perimeter of triangle 10.5. Okay, here using this information, here we drawn here the one rough diagram. This is PQ, name of triangle is XYZ, total length is 10.5, what is the perimeter is given. So we know this angle Y is 58 and this is 46. So this angle XPY, angle XPY, in exam also you have to write this. In exam also you have to write this XPY is half of XYZ. Angle XYZ, how it is, already I explained that. This is the triangle, suppose 58. So what is the angle of this one? 180 minus 58. 180 minus 58. So it is what? 2 Carry on one here. 8 minus 6, 2. This is 122. Okay, 122 degree. Okay, so 122. This is 122. So these two angles are congruent because this is isosceles. So what is this sum? First we have to find 180 minus 122. This is 122 now. So what is here? 8. 8 minus 3, 5. 1 minus 1, 0. 58. Out half of 50, 29. 29. So that's why here we taken half of XYZ. So half of 58 is what? 29 degree. Similarly, here angle XQZ. You can say XQZ or XQP also. XQP suppose, and this is XPQ because angle is same. So what is this? Half of this. Half of angle XZY. So XZY is what? 46 degree. Okay. So it is 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 2 3 are means it is 23 degree. This one also having mark. This rough diagram also having mark means it is compulsory you have to draw in the example when you will construct that diagram. Before this you have studied two type of construction: addition of two side and subtraction of two sides given. In subtraction, two different construction already you have studied. Okay, so in that diagram also you have to draw first rough diagram, and here also this is for 4 mark. In this rough diagram and this one having 1 mark. Okay, so now actual construction we will see how to construct. So first one, take a scale. Okay, take a scale. What distance here you have to take? See here, what is base? 10.5. So we'll take 10.5 centimeter distance using scale. Okay, see here, we'll take this side, no problem. .5, exactly 10.5. Remove the scale. Here suppose this point here. So what is that point? Here what name is given in the rough? Same you have to use, PQ. So here this is P and Q. So then take a protractor. We know P angle, already we found it here, 29. So place the protractor. Okay, this 0 coincide, 0, 10, 20, and here 9 millimeter is 1 millimeter less than for 30. So here draw this angle using this scale. Draw one ray like this. Okay, what angle here? 29 degree. This one 10.5 centimeter. Okay, so then Q we know here what is 23 degree. Again place protractor here on point Q, exactly coincide with 0. Now this upside is 0. Okay, so start from this 0, 0, 10, 20 and 23 means 1, 2, 3. Small dot is there. So using scale, draw one ray from the point Q, passes through this 23 degree mark like this. Okay, so here what? 23 degree. Okay, so now what we have to do? Now this, which point we found here? This is, we found now X point, 1 point from that triangle. Now here you have to draw perpendicular bisector of XP and XQ. Now you know how to draw perpendicular bisector, already you have studied that. So take a compass. Okay, take more than half distance like this. Draw one arc this side, one arc downside. Okay, then from the point X, taking the same distance. Okay, draw another arcs, intersect to first two arc. Keep that compass. Draw one line passes through intersecting point of these two arcs. What we drawn here, this is the perpendicular bisector of which segment? XP. This is perpendicular bisector. And where it intersect? Which point we found here? Here. Which point? Y. So name this point is Y. Okay. Now we have to find Z. So on the same thing we have to do here on segment x cube, take more than half distance like this. Okay, draw one arc here, another here downside. Then from the point x, taking the same distance, draw another two arcs intersect to these arcs. Okay, remove the compass. Same procedure you have to do. Take a scale, draw one line, passes through intersecting point of these two arcs like this. Okay, where it intersect, which point we found here? Z. Now what is your duty? So join this xy and xz using the scale. Okay, so now what is this y and z angle is here? Y is 58, z is 46. So using the protractor, we'll see here what is that. Okay, y is 58. See here 50, when it goes it is 58, exactly 58 come. Here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This y angle is goes like this. It is 58. So this is correct. And what is z angle? This is 46. Okay, 46. So where is z? Where is the z? Here. If we extend this one, so it is exactly touches to this. Okay, so it is 46 degree. So you can measure when you will draw that diagram using the protractor, measure it. Okay, this is exactly come 58 and 46. So this is a construction. What we drawn? Perimeter is given. We drawn one segment using the perimeter. After that, what angle? Base angle is given. We taken the half of this one, half of this one. That two rays we drawn. One point we got it. Then what we done? Draw the perpendicular bisector of XP. Okay, it intersect here. Another point we will get. Then draw the perpendicular bisector of XQ. Okay, here we will get Z. After then, last is join XY and XZ. This is the construction. Very simple construction, but this is having 4 marks. This is totally new for you. Do more practice. Okay, so easily you will get 4 marks for this. Okay, do it and see all the things. Very important, you have to subscribe that YouTube channel. Then you can see all videos, what videos I uploaded on that link. Many of the students did not subscribe till. Okay, and that ratio and proportion, the first and I think third one, that videos not seen. Just 36 students opened the link. Okay, I think second one saw some 46, 47 student. But that first and third, I think you check it. If you subscribe that channel, you will get all the videos. See that, open it and study it, because that all the lessons you have to study for the first semester exam. This construction also, no, this is the last construction. Then geometric construction, very small topic lesson. This is over. Then next period will take some 1 or 2 exercise from the quadrilateral. Up to that, you have to study that syllabus. And math first, you have to study exercise 4.2. Okay, and now here 5.1, I think we have to for the first semester exam you have to study it. Okay.